Hey guys, WolfPlays here. Back to another video. I am buying this keyboard. This is the HCman mechanical keyboard, 87 key RGB. Really cool keyboard. It is $32.99, free shipping. There's only 8 left in stock. Just a couple days ago, it was like 12 or 14. About a week ago, they didn't show this, so there's quite a bit remaining. I'm buying this with the 4-year protection plan for $4.99. So it'd be $41 or something with tax. I was debating between this one, the Red Dragon K561 Vizsnu, and the Red Dragon K552 RGB. There was a couple others, but I ruled them out. I'm going to go with this one. It's rainbow, not RGB, but it's all I can find, really. It's affordable. Anti-ghosting, mechanical blue switches, all this stuff. So, better order fast, though. The money should be here by Friday. But my grandma is sending me out a $15 check and $5 cash. So, I'll pair that up with some money from my bank account as well. So, I'll buy this. Like I said, the money should be here by Friday, I would think, because she sent it on Monday. So, yeah. We'll see how it goes. If not, like Monday or something. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I will do an unboxing video on it as well. Like, as soon as I get the box, I'll probably open up the original packaging, like what shipped in, to reveal the company box. Then I'll start recording and go from there. I don't know how well the recording will be, but hey, at least it's something, right? First unboxing video. It's a really cool keyboard, though. Obviously, people are buying it. Not really reviewing it, but they're buying it. So that's what I'm gonna go with. So $41, buying a mechanical keyboard. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and peace out.